Normally, please leave 3mm seams between panels for adjusting the tolerance of panel size. We recommend using tile crosses of 3mm to ensure the consistency of the panels. Using the drawing pin to fix the panel if the edges of the panel are warped, and take off the pin when glue is dry totally. Using towel to clean the glue which is flowed out of the panels. Do not leave the glue on the seams between panels, using the dry towel to clean the seams gently so that not to damage the edges of the panels. Using wallpaper knife to cut panels freely when meet corner or circuit of the wall. Fill the gaps and seams. Modulating water-based putty of Dufa brand according to the instruction. You may reduce the quantity of curing agent to avoid clot before using. Fill the seams with water-based putty along the line of panels. Normally, it takes 2 hours to make the putty dry. Then, using sandpaper 120 to 300 mu to polish the extra putty, and clean the seams with a dry towel to keep it smooth and flat. Fill the seams again if it cracks or has a hole, and polish it again after putty dries. Painting the high permeability water-based seal primer. To spray elastic odorless all-in-one paint of Nipton brand twice after the primer is dried. It needs no less than 2 hours to dry after the first painting. The drying time may be longer when the environmental humidity is over 60%. Using sandpaper to polish the surface of the panels after being painted. Paint again after the surface of panels is clean and smooth. Remark: the colors of paint may be modulated by professional workers of shops when buying it.